really cool piece of grass. I wonder what it would look like really up close. What is this? This looks like a tiny microscope you can clamp on to your cell phone camera. This is really cool. Let's see what we can look at through this. You can find a tiny clip-on microscope like this online for under $10. It's a really cool way to see the world around you on a different level. To use this tiny microscope, clip it onto your phone's camera, like this. And you can zoom in just a little bit, and then get it close to what you want to look at. And see the world on a completely different level. That is cool. Let's see what else we can find. That was a really cool piece of grass. Let's see what this piece of tree bark with some lichen on it looks like. Wow, that lichen looks really cool. I would have never expected it to look like that close up. That was cool. Let's check out what this flower from a clover looks like. Wow, this is beautiful. No wonder bees love this. What a beautiful flower close up. I wonder what this fabric looks like. Wow, it's so zoomed in, you can see the weave of the fabric. So you can get a microscope like this for under $10, and this is a really awesome way to see the world on a microscopic level. So if you do find one of these, be sure to send us what you've been checking out and tag us at Studio NPL. Thanks!